Hello guys, today we will do an amazing experiment called Milk Rainbow. In this you need dish soap, a earbud, milk, a dropper and some food colors. First you need to pour the milk. It needs to be very little. It only needs to cover the bottom. Okay, this is good. Now you need to put a little bit of food coloring, a few drops on the milk. Now nothing is happening, but now you need to put a little dish soap on one end of the earbud. Then you need to put it in the center. Not needed to be in the center though. Wow. Pause.
Can you explain why this is happening?
It happens because dish soap breaks the surface tension and the fat inside the milk. Let's try another place. By the other end. Not will the color will dim because I don't know. Very funny. Again. Wow, it came in another color. I don't know why. Now let's try the second last corner. Oops, forgot the soap. Okay, last one. Let me try something. I'll just drop a little dish soap. I'll just drop a little dish soap here and let's see what happens. That will happen automatically. Thanks for watching.